Here we have a past exam question on the topic transformations of graphs. So we're going to start with this part A. We're given the equation of the curve, 5x squared plus 9x plus 2, and we're it's transformed to the curve with the equation. Here's our new equation. By the translation AB, write down the values of A and B. So when I have a transformations of graphs question, first thing I'd be considering is, so if you remember this, when you're adding a number outside the function, you're moving the graph up and down. If we're adding inside the function, we're going left and right. You have a minus outside the function, reflection in the x-axis. Inside the function, reflection in the y-axis. Stretch, squish. We're already told it's a translation. A translation is a movement, not a reflection, isn't it? It's a movement up and down or left and right. So we have to consider these top two. Can you see here we've got 5x plus 4 and then x plus 4 here. So can you see what we're doing in fact is we're adding 4 inside your function. Don't forget, if you're adding a number inside your function, you're going left and right. Positive number, you go left. Negative your number, you go right. So this would be minus 4, right? Because in the top of your vector, the top number is the movement, represents the movements left and right. So A is minus 4 because we're going 4 to the left. Okay, the bottom now, if you have a look, let's think about the movement up and down. Well, we've got a plus 8 here and we've got a plus 2 there, which is a change of 6, right? So it's plus 6 plus 2. We're adding 6 onto the original function, which means we're adding outside our function by 6. So we're going up 6. And the bottom of your vector represents the numbers up and down. So the bottom number on your vector is 6. Okay, next question. The graph of y equals p cos x plus q degrees is drawn below. So we know it's related to the cos graph. So I'd be thinking, what does our cos graph look like? It's got a height here, crosses the x-axis at 0 and 270, and it's got a minimum value here. So it's a curve. Well, like, I haven't drawn that very well, let me do it again. Like this. So I'm going to be looking at the translation part of it first. If you see, we have a maximum here and a minimum here, so I'm going to compare the maximum and minimum points from the original graph. And as you can see, this minimum point has moved 45 degrees to the left. Each square is worth 45. And same here. So A for P, no, it's part B. So part B, P is 45, because again, adding 45 inside your function means you move left 45 degrees. So let's have a look at the stretch next, this P. And again, look at the minimum and maximum points. The minimum's gone from -1 to -3. Maximum from 1 to 3. So multiplying a scale factor of 3. So Q is 3. Because your Y value has gone from 1 to 3. So Q is 3.